Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the ancient key in Abyss Roblox. So you finally found that mysterious ancient key, but you have no idea where the lock is. So here I'm going to show you the exact coordinates on the path you need to take. So here I've already have the ancient key from Marcus in the ancient sands, and once you have it you can just head into this rocks cave in here near where Grumpy Hang is. You can just go up here and you'll see this cave with lock on it. So what you need to do is just hold your key and interact with the gate. Just wait for a few seconds and it will unlock the gate. Like this. And now you can just head inside to see what's hidden inside the chest. Okay, let's see in here. So I got some present or rewards like oxygen pods and also crimson this one crimson shard. So it will increase speed and also drop luck by 30%. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.